Hello there. My name is Paul Mott, and I work with the Dorchester County Library in St. George. And what I'm here to do today is to show you the kits that we're going to be giving out in the St. George Library for the month of March. And what this is it's a wall sprout planter blossom kit because March signifies the end of winter and the beginning of spring. So that's when the time everyone kind of begins their gardening. And because March is also St. Patrick's Day month, which is on March the 17th, what we're also giving away is this is going to be an ability to plant clover. And so what you can do with these, you can pick these up for your kids if they want to learn how to plant something for the first time, or if you are any age that wants to learn how to grow some clover, you're welcome to come by here and pick one of these up during the month of March at the St. George Library while supplies last. And so what we're going to do here today is I'm going to show you everything that comes with the kit and give you the instructions on what you'll need to do when it comes time to plant. So let's go ahead and take everything out. So first of all, we have here the container itself that you'll be planting in, and it has a nice little St. Patrick's themes where it says, "We're lucky to have you." Secondly, we have the peat pellets, and this is what you're going to use for the soil in the container. And I'll explain to you how you use these as we go along here. And these are the suction cups. You can use these, you can attach these onto the back of your container if you want to stick these onto any kind of glass or mirror-like surface. And so you'll just slide them into here after you take them out of the container, out of the plastic, and put them there. Or if you would rather put these on some kind of magnetic surface that'll hold magnets like a refrigerator, you've got the magnets on the back here that you can put your container up that way as well. And we have the packet of seeds. This is for growing what they call Dutch white clover. And here we are also including some instructions for how to make your own homemade plant food in case you don't want to have to go out to the store and buy some of that more expensive plant food that you use to help it grow. This is from items that you probably have around the house. It would take a 1-gallon jug, some Epsom salt, baking soda, household ammonia, and then you just add water to that. And the instructions will be in the container. So, let's go over the planting instructions as they are written on the side of the box here. First, it says place peat pellets in a separate container and add approximately 1 cup of water. So you'll need to put these in a container separate from this, such as a cup or anything that you can hold water in. Then it says wait until the peat pellets have fully expanded. So when you add water to these, it's going to get bigger, and it's probably going to loosen up and become what you would expect to see with the soil. And it says add more water if necessary. So if it seems like it's still too packed together just with the 1 cup of water, it says add more water. Then it says remove casing on pellets. So what it is you're going to notice when these expand, there's the little casing that's going to be on these that you'll be able to take off easier. And it says place in planting partitions. So basically you're going to put the broken up peat pellets into the container. And it says plant 4 or 5 seeds. So you're going to have at least 4 or 5 seeds in here, but it says plant 4 or 5 because that's as many as you have room for in here to grow the way they're supposed to. And it says, and keep damp until seeds sprout. So when it says keep damp, it means keep the soil moist. And you're going to want to do that by watering it as often as it needs, maybe once a day, maybe once every other day, just as long as you make sure the soil doesn't go dry. And then it says add plant food as needed, which again, we gave you the instructions to do here in the box with everything else. And hopefully that's all you'll need to start getting your own homegrown clover. And again, we're going to be giving these kits out during the month of March at the St. George Library while supplies last. So we hope to see you there and hope you have a wonderful day.